We are treating a pigmentation which is melasma for her. Now, since I've done so many sessions already for her, it's so much better now. But when she came to us, she already had a skin which was very sensitive, thin because of the steroid abuse. She was using steroid topicals for very long, which was recommended by her local dermatologist. So it's very common practice. Usually people, they go to dermatologists, they write them a prescription steroid, which has to be used for a certain time period, but they continue to use it on their own. So that causes a lot of thinning of the skin, and also it makes your skin more prone to getting pigmentation and very, very sensitive to sun, and usually people do not care about a proper sun protection, which is very important when you have pigmentation concerns. So we have done about 4-5 sessions already for her, which is combination of peels, microneedling treatments and laser. So today I'm again doing a microneedling treatment wherein we infuse serum into the layers of the skin. The pigmentation is present in the layers of the skin. So we are targeting those layers of pigmentation by infusing serum deeper into the skin through microneedling. So this microneedling does not require any anesthesia. This is infusing serum into the skin and it's pulling the skin slightly up through vacuum. So it does not, you can see there is no downtime to this treatment. She is absolutely comfortable while I'm doing the treatment. Right after this, she can go back to work. Even if she's out in the sun, that does not matter because we'll just apply sunscreen and she's good to go. She has seen a lot of difference in her pigmentation over every session, which she has very properly followed with the post care. So now the skin quality has become better. The pigmentation has reduced so much, you can see here. Now this part of the pigmentation is already almost gone. It was extending all till here. Now it's only this little patch left. On the other side also, this pigmentation has become quite lighter now.